everybody. Crisscross applesauce. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yay! Today we're going to learn about our 5 senses. This book is called My 5 Senses by Aliki. First, I have a song for you guys. So just start clapping your hands. I have 5 senses that I use to help me eat each day. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch, and I use them each day. So does anyone know what our 5 senses are?
See, touch.
See, that's one. Okay, Malachi? Taste, good. That's another one. Anyone else? Jasmine? Touch, yes, that's another one. Does anyone have any more?
This one.
Mel, good job. Okay, so the name of this book is My 5 Senses by Aliki. That's the author. Does anyone know what the author is?
Wrote a book.
Good girl, Chloe. The author is the person that wrote the book. So let's start this book. My 5 Senses by Aliki. I can see with my eyes. What can you see with?
Mom,
What can you see with?
I can see everything.
With what?
With my eyes.
With your eyes. Good job. I can hear. I can hear with my ears. What can you hear with?
I can hear when you're talking.
With what?
With your ear.
With your ears. Good job. I can smell. What can you smell with?
Flowers.
But what can you smell with? What's this?
No.
You can smell with your nose, right?
Yes.
I can taste. What do you taste with?
But I can taste with tongue.
Your tongue. Good job. I can touch. I can touch with, what do you touch with? Can anybody tell me what they touch with?
Your hair.
Your hands. And your hands, how many, what do you have on your hands? What are these called?
Fingers.
Your fingers. So you touch with your fingers, right?
Yes.
Good job. I do all this with my, what do you do those with?
Your sister.
Your senses. Good job. I have, how many senses do you have?
5 senses.
5 senses. When I see the sun or a frog or my baby sister, I use my sense of sight. I am seeing. When I hear a drum or a fire engine or a bird, I use my sense of hearing. I am hearing. When I smell soap or a pine tree or cookies just out of the oven, I am using my sense of smell. What am I doing? I am smelling. Good job. When I drink my milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting.
I'm tasting.
Yes, we are. When I touch a kitten or a balloon or water, I use my sense of touch. I am
Senses.
touching. Sometimes I use all of my senses at once. Sometimes I use only one. I often play a game with myself. I guess how many senses I'm using at that time. When I look at the moon and the stars, I use one sense. I am seeing. When I laugh and play with my puppy, I use 4 senses. I am seeing, hearing, smelling, and touching. When I bounce a ball, I use 3 senses. I see, hear, and touch. Sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another. But each sense is very important to me because it makes me aware. To be aware is to see all there is to see. Hear all there is to hear. Smell all there is to smell. Taste all there is to taste. And touch all there is to touch. Wherever I go, whatever I do, every minute of the day, my senses are working. They make me aware. So did you like the book, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did we learn about today? Can you tell me?
Your senses.
Our senses, right? And how many senses do we have?
5.
5 senses. Do you remember what they are?
Touch.
Touching.
Smell.
Smelling. Seeing.
Seeing.
Hearing.
Hearing.
And tasting. Good job. Now, in a few minutes, this is what we're going to do. I have a worksheet for us. It's called My 5 Senses. I have one for the boys and one for the girls. We're going to cut out these little pieces right here that have signs. One says see, smell, hear, taste, touch. And we're going to put them with the correct body part. So you guys are supposed to paste it when you find what you used to see. You're going to put it where you find what you used to smell, what you're doing when you're touching, what you're doing when you're hearing, and what you're doing when you're tasting. Okay? Great job, guys. Let's sing our song one more time. We have 5 senses that we